Hello guys, welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get 15k followers on Instagram for free. I know there are a lot of apps promising to give you Instagram followers online, but I'm going to show you just one app that would help you grow your Instagram following in just a month or two to 15k, right? So there are basically three ways to increase your Instagram followers or to increase your social media following in general. One of those methods is using bots. A lot of people use bots to grow their social media following. A lot of people sell followers online and all that, and a lot of those agencies that sell followers, they use bots to sell those followers, right? So, and most of the followers you get are they're just passive and inactive followers. They don't know your brand. It's just a robot running behind the scene, using several accounts to generate followers for you. Another method you can actually use also to grow your Instagram, your social media followers, is actually to grow organically. It means you're investing a lot of time and resources. You're posting compelling content. You're engaging with your target audience. You're following the latest trends and the best practices, released by the social media platform. You're understanding the algorithm of the social media platform and all that, and it's a lot you're investing to grow organically. Another method you can also use to grow your social media following is to use paid ads. If you're a new brand or a new agency and you don't have a lot of budget on the table, that might not be an option you want to explore. You have a lot of marketing budget on the table and you're willing to invest a lot into paid ads. This is another method in which you can use to grow your social media following. Just like I said, there's a lot of social media platforms and applications out there promising to sell you Instagram following, and you can see this one is called Instant Follow Fast. They are promising to give you 5k followers for like $21.99, and these other guys over here, Instafollowerscom, they are proposing to sell you 10k followers. They're proposing to sell you 10k followers for $59.99. This video I'm going to be showing you an app you can use to generate 15k followers for free. I mean, you can do this yourself, or you can do it for a client, or do it as an agency, and people can pay you. And basically, this is one of the strategies a lot of agencies that sell followers. This is one of the strategies they use to sell followers, and you pay a lot of money to get those followers to your account. So I'm going to show you how to get those followers for free, right? So one of the app that works, that I've tested, there are a lot of apps online that promise crap and they don't work, and this app works. So the name of the app is called Neutrino.plus. So visit the website Neutrino.plus over here, and I'll drop the link below, so you can click the link and get the app. You can click the link and download the app. And so you come over here, you can click here, download for free, or come down here and download APK. I don't think this app is available for iOS devices. So if you're using an iOS device, I'm sorry, this app is not available for you yet. Maybe they're probably developing a version for the iOS device. I don't know, but it only works on Android for now. So download the app, and I'll head to my mobile device in a minute, and I'll show you on how to use the app to generate 15k followers in 2 months or less. How much followers you get is how much time you invest. If you're consistently using the app and you employ the strategy I'm going to teach you, and you're consistent with it, you could generate that massive following in less than 2 months. But for me, I grew this account here from 1k to like 17k in 2 months. I was not consistent in all that, but you can be consistent and grow your account to this massive following. As a new account starting out, you might want to generate massive followers for your brand, and that would help boost your brand popularity and credibility. It's a little bit of a psychological mind game. If your target audience visits your social media platform and they see you have like 15k or 20k followers, and you have compelling and awesome content on your social media platform, they are more compelled to click the follow button or like on your post. People just love to associate themselves with things that work. So if they come over to your account and they see your account is already working, they see your account is already active and a lot's going on, 15k followers, 20k followers, they're more compelled to click the follow button. So I think that's where using bots plays. Plays a very key role. As a new brand, you can generate that massive following in a couple of months. As a new brand, there are brands that actually develop hundreds of thousands of followers in just a couple of months. It depends on the marketing strategy they employ and the expertise behind the brand. But it's a cool idea to begin by using bots and then move on to growing your account organically, because the whole goal of a business is to generate leads, acquire customers, and generate sales. So, and if you're using both, sorry, that's not going to happen. So you have to transition from using bots to growing your account organically, and that's where you begin to attract the right target audience to your brand, because bots is just randomly going to pick accounts, and the accounts will be following your Instagram page or profile. Let's head to my mobile device and let me show you how let me show you on how these bots work. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to be showing you how to grow your account organically and how to grow your social media following using paid ads. Let's head to the Neutrono app and let's get started. Neutrono, yeah, this is the Neutrono app over here. I open, and okay, so here we are. And basically how the app works is you generate crystals and you use the crystals to um, get followers or get likes to any of your content, your picture or your video. So, and like for instance, now if you click the subscribe here, you see it will add to my crystals. I have if you check up there, you see this crystal sign up there, 285 crystals. So if I subscribe to another account, it's going to give me 8 crystals. To tell you you have got 8 crystals. So, and that's how you actually generate crystals to um, get followers. And if I come over here, if I click to start gaining followers button over here, it actually allows me to future my account just like every other account here for like 10 minutes. You can see it's showing 10 minutes and they'll deduct 359 crystals from my account. But if you're checking up there, I don't have enough crystals, so I can't get followers. I can get more followers. The account has 1,552 followers. I'm following 33 people. So basically this is how I began growing this account. This is a very new account. I began growing this account I think I started 2 days back, and I've not been active really. That's why the account is growing slow. So, and the best way to go about this, you can say I'm not following a lot of people. If I was using this account to generate crystals, I'll have a lot of following over here. I'll be following a lot of people, but you can see I'm following less people because I'm not using this account to actually generate the crystals. So what I do is I use a cloning app. There's this cloning app I use. It's called Parallel, and it's over here. Let me see, Parallel space. It allows you to clone your app. Alright, so this is a dummy account I created just for this purpose, right? So I use this account to generate crystals, and I transfer the crystals to the main account I'm growing. So if I can use this account now to generate crystals. You can see this account, if you check, this account has 10 followers and it has, I'm following 1,000 people. It's simply because this account is dedicated to just generating crystals. I'm not using this account. This is just a fake account. So I advise you to create a fake account, and you can create several fake accounts and generate crystals and transfer them, all the crystals, to one account. So you can see this how it works. And in the main account, you found out in the main account I don't have enough crystals, so I actually cannot generate I cannot generate followers for my account. So I will generate crystals over here. You can see my crystals keeps increasing up there. Let's scroll down, and I keep generating crystals. That's how you generate crystals. I'll show you other ways you can generate crystals, right? So that's how you generate crystals. So another way you can generate crystals is by clicking this crystal button over here. You can see this red button with the crystal icon inside. You click the button, and you press. It's going to be still, but when you press this, it begins to breathe, and it ends you crystals. And you can just leave it running throughout the whole day, and it generates a lot of crystals for you. Leave that running in the background. And another way you can generate crystals, you can generate crystals by converting your energy. You can see this energy icon up here. With energy, I have like 2085, and you can convert your energy. If I click this, you can see I can convert 1000 energy for 100 crystals. So how do you actually generate this energy? You generate energy by
executing a lot of activity, if you're following a lot of, subscribing to a lot of accounts and all that, and you're doing a lot of stuff on the app, it actually gives you more energy, and you can convert your energy for crystals. So you can see I can convert this to crystals. I have more crystals now. So I let's head out straight. I will show you how to, and if you want to buy crystals, you can click to buy button here and buy crystals. I literally, I grew the account I showed you earlier without buying any crystals. Like, I grew an account from 1,000 followers to 17,000 followers without buying any crystals. So I don't advise you to, but if you want to buy, if you don't want to go to the stress of generating crystals, you can just come here and buy crystals and use it to generate followers for your real account. So let's close this, and let me show you how to transfer the crystals you've generated to the main account. You can also generate crystals by referrals. Like, you can give people your referral code when they're registering. Let's say you're referring somebody to use the Neutrino app, and you give them this referral code. You actually generate crystals and energy for someone else using your referral code. But how do you transfer this crystal? So over here, you come here, you put the username of the account, the Instagram account, and you put the amount of crystals you want to transfer out. So, and they actually charge you 25% fee for sending out crystals. The receiver's account is charged 25% of the crystals being sent. So I'm sending 2,000. I would send 2,900 crystals to the main account I'm going to use to show you how you can actually generate followers. So if I send, what's the username again? Let me see, what's the name again? I think I can remember now. Just so I'm transferring 2,900 crystals. It gave me your account is fake. Okay, this is how the account, this is how it works. If you have not posted any content in the account, let's say you create a dummy account, and or you have a main account and you have not posted any content on that account for a long while, it's going to tell you the account is fake. So how to fix this issue is simple. Just go to the account and post just a new picture on the account. Now that I've posted a content on this account I used to generate crystals, I can now go back to the Neutrino app, and I can transfer the crystals out. I just have to refresh the account to reflect the image I posted. So the image now reflects there. So I would just come over here and I'll transfer the crystals this time. It should work this time, right? So account in transferring to receiver's account. And amount of crystals I want to transfer out, 2009. You can see operation success. If I go to the main account I use for this transaction to actually get followers, I think, where is it? Okay, there's the main account. So you check her account now. If I update her profile, if I click update, you can see she now has 2,482 crystals. The crystals are transferred from the fake account to the real account. So you get the logic. I don't use the main account to follow people, because I want to keep my following very low. I want to get my followers up. Now that I have crystals, but I want you to note how many followers we have. The time you use this app is very key. If you're using this app when people are asleep, you are not going to get a lot of followers. So you need to use the app when there are a lot of users on the app. You get it? That's a good strategy you should keep in mind. So because the way the app works is, your account is going to stay on this dashboard. It's going to be featured like with all these other accounts. So it's going to be featured for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your account will be taken out. Most times I just check the account to be sure there are a lot of users. You can see there are a lot of users. Sometimes you could use the app, you could put your account, you could feature your account for 10 minutes and get as low as 20 followers. Sometimes you can feature your account for 10 minutes and get as much as 100, 120, 150 followers. So using the app at the right time when there are a lot of users on the app is very key. So let me just boost this account for 10 minutes. We boost in our number of followers. It's showing accounts following our accounts. Can you see over here? You're showing accounts, following our account. You can see. Let's track it from the Instagram account itself. So let's refresh our Instagram account. Can you see? We had 100 followers right now. 100 followers. Can you see that? From 1,598 followers to 1,756 followers. Can you see? So basically, the secret is for you to consistently keep using the app. Like you can keep featuring your account every 10 minutes. What you need to keep featuring your account are crystals. So if you have 2 or 3 dummy accounts and you're using those accounts, Instagram accounts, to generate crystals, and you transfer the crystals to this main account, you can keep you can get like 17-20k followers in a month or two, right? If you're consistent, if that means a lot to you.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would want other great videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, subscribe to our channel at Britschool and click the bell notification icon so you can stay updated on upcoming videos. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn at Britschool, or visit us at britschool.com. Have a great time and keep smashing it. Bye.